Welcome to section 8.3, 4, 5 and possibly 6. We'll talk about each of these in turn. Metatarsal dome come in standardised sizes. At the moment we're just using what comes out of the packet from the suppliers, and they're standardised across the board for our industry. So we'll have a little bit of information on the exact sizes of each, but there's two versions essentially, size 1 to 5, small, medium or large, made out of PPT particularly. So Met domes, Met bars, and they're the two ones that a lot of practitioners have lots of discussions about the placement of theirs. The foolproof way is to delineate the exact position in a three-dimensional space where you want the pads. Typically the technicians go for just proximal to the Met parabola, but of course each foot is different, so we can't say that it goes in exactly the same spot every time according to the device shape. So it's quite a tricky positioning thing to do in a manufacturing sense. So Met domes, indication with a drawing on your scans or cast that translates into information to the designer is the foolproof way to go there. So Met domes and Met bars across the proximal side of the Met parabola. I'll see you in balance pad.